Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to divide both sides by cosine s squared. So we have y and first derivative of y, so we can use about integrating factor. So we need to find about mu s equals to e to the power of the integration. That is about this one. So this one, that is about secant of s squared. The integration of secant of s squared, we have tan s. So we need to multiply both sides by this one. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. Next, we can use about the product rule of the derivative. So that means first derivative of y equals to first derivative of a multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So if we look carefully, this is about first derivative of a multiplied by b. This one, that is about first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So the integration of this one, we have y equals to ab. So the integration of that one, we have y e to the power of tan s. Now we need to concentrate about this one. So we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to tan s. Later that, we do first derivative for the both sides. And we got like this. So tan s we change by u. ds over cosine s squared we change by du. The integration of this one, we have e to the power of u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about tan s. Now we need to change this one into this one. Next, we have the conditions. That means when s equals to number 0, y equals to number 3. So I will put number 0 gone here, number 0 gone here, number 3 gone here to find the value of c. So this one we have 0, 0. So this one we have number 1. This one we have number 1. And now c equals to number 3 minus number 1. So I will put number 1 go to the left And now I will put number 2 cone here. Later that, we divide both sides by e to the power of tan s. This is the end. Thank you for watching.